here you get the exact peak of the source, ठीक है, on the surface, exact peak, totally clean. And here you will get the blurry surface because here light get scattered in all directions. Okay, here, so now you will get the idea of specular reflection and diffuse reflection. So this point is show the diffuse, the image formed is diffuse image, exact image of source. Okay, so let's move further. Now, as I told you, to avoid direct glare from the electric arcs and incandescent filament lamp, they are surrounded more or less completely by diffusing shades and glow. Okay, so as we know that light from the source, it came out from in all direction, but if we want light, or if we want to reduce the amount of light, control the amount of light, reduce the glare, so we have to design or make some reflector, so the amount of required light falling in your working plane. So this is important. So to avoid direct glare from the electric or incandescent filament lamp, they are surrounded one or more completely by diffusing shades and globes. In domestic fitting, a variety of shades are used for the main purpose, avoid glare. Okay. So as you saw our table lamp, we use reflector above over the light source, so the required amount of light will came directly to the working plane or our study table rather than going anywhere in any direction. Okay, so there are different type of reflectors. Okay, so the name of this reflector, this is our reflector. The type of reflectors are illustrated is show a hollow pan, stereoreflector, stellative reflector are used extensive, intensive focus light distribution required. Okay, this is the reflector. Okay, so what is the purpose of this reflector? For focusing the light distribution. Okay, next, the optical combination of lamp, reflector and a lens. Just take the example of headlight to provide high degree of light control. Okay, so with all these parts, lamp, reflector and lens plate, we will control the amount of light and degree of light, how much certain amount of light that we are required in our working plane are being controlled by the lamp, reflector and lens plate. As you saw that this is our bulb. If there is no reflector, lamp, lens, so the amount of light will came in all direction. But as you saw, with the help of this reflector, with this lamp, we will control the amount of light also and also the direction of the light. So these reflectors are very much important. ठीक? If you will see the example of torch in the olden days, where every day torch is kept, so you will get this is our bulb and you get the reflector behind that in this form, made up of silver. I don't have a right pick over there to show you. Please Google it and get the good idea. Okay, so here I hope you understand what I am saying right now. What is dispersive reflector? There is also a dispersive reflector. Sometimes this question will came in exam, used in industrial installation. This is the pick of the dispersive reflector. Okay, these are used in industrial installation. Okay guys, so let's move further. Requirement of good light. So lightning scheme is requirement of good lighting. Okay, so why we required good light? For visual comfort. If the lighting is not good, this will give our visual discomfort, like example of glare. Okay, and visual comfort enhance the efficiency of workman. So guys, if you will saw the light, if you will get the good amount of your light, your mood going to be changes according to the light. Okay, so in our office or our in a study room, if the light is a good amount of light in our room, our efficiency will already increased. देखो यहाँ पे भी ये लिखा है. So usually good lighting is often confused with high illumination level. So good lighting purpose is not that we are required high illumination. The factor which are used consider minimum glare and brightness contrast. If we control the glare and the brightness contrast, so with the help of the reflectors, then we provide a good lighting. Lighting source should be properly shaded by the luminaries mounted above the normal line of sight. Reflector glare is to be avoided by mounting luminaries with respect to the equipment, so the reflected glare is directed away from the observer. Use of the diffusing and absorbing fixer reduce glare. This is already I told you. With the help of reflector and diffusers and lens, we control the amount of light and intensity and glare and brightness contrast. Okay, so our good lighting will give us visual comfort, and visual comfort enhance our efficiency. Good lighting is not related with high illumination. It is only related with minimum glare and brightness contrast, which we control with the help of reflector, diffusers, fixers, reduce the glares. Okay, so I hope you will get the good idea with this. Let's move for the further topic, lighting scheme. So lighting schemes are classified according to the location, requirement and purpose. Direct lighting, indirect lighting, semi-direct lighting, semi-indirect lighting, general lighting. Okay, let's discuss one by one. What is direct lighting? So before going to that, so I will take some small break. Right. So as it is clear, the most in the system, almost 90 to 95%. Please keep in your mind, very much important, directly came in exam. Light falls directly on the object or the surface. Okay, so 90 to 95% light fall directly on the object or the surface. Light is made to fall upon the surface with the help of deep reflector. So in this lighting scheme we use deep reflector. Such type of lighting scheme is most used in industry and commercial lighting. Important line. This scheme is most efficient, but it is liable to cause glare and shadow. Okay. So this is one disadvantage of this scheme. So here 90 to 95% light fall directly on the object with the help of deep reflector used in industries and commercial lighting. So इसके अंदर कुछ नहीं है, इसमें 90 to 95% जो है लाइट फॉल हो रही है ऑब्जेक्ट के ऊपर और विद द हेल्प ऑफ डीप रिफ्लेक्टर की मदद से. कहां पर यूज करते हैं? इंडस्ट्री और कॉमर्शियल लाइटनिंग में करते हैं. होते कैसे हैं इन्हें देखते हैं अभी. सो दिस इज द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ डायरेक्ट लाइटनिंग 90 to 95. डाटा विल चेंजेस, डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट. 90 to 95% इज और in downward direction. You will saw that with the help of deep reflector. So please also remain in your mind this peak. This peak is very much important for the exam point of view. This peak is directly came in exam as an option and ask the question is that which option will show you the direct lightning scheme. Okay, let's move further. Indirect lightning. So in this, light does not fall directly on the surface, but more than 90% of light is directly upward by using diffusing reflector. Okay, it directed upward by using diffusing reflector. So here the light indirect 90% of the light is directed upward. Okay, by using diffusing reflector. Here 90% very much important data. So the ceiling acts as a source of light and this light uniformly distributed over the surface and glare reduced minimum. So these lines are very much important. In which lighting scheme glare is maximum, in which lighting scheme glare is minimum or reduced minimum, in which lighting scheme deep reflector is used, in which lighting scheme diffusing reflector will use. So whatever lines that I underline over there are directly came in exam. It provides shadowless illumination which is useful for drawing office and composing rooms. Application of indirect lighting, drawing office and composing room, is also used for decorating purpose in cinema halls and hotels. I will show you the right diagram. So here you will saw 90% upward. Okay, so this is the real example of indirect lighting. Okay, let's move further. Semi-direct lighting. This is an efficient system of lighting and chances of glare are also reduced. So here transparent type shades are used. Okay, which type of shades? Transparent, through which 60% of light directed downward. तो 60% तो आपका डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन में जाएगा, 40% जो होगा आपका अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन में लाइट जाएगा. सो प्रोवाइड ए यूनिफॉर्म डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन लाइट बेस्ट सूटेड फॉर रूम विद हाई सीलिंग. ओके, so in which transparent type shade used, in which lighting scheme 60% light is downward, 40% light is upward, in which if the rooms are with high ceiling, which type of lighting that you are will use, lighting scheme are going to be used. So your answer will be semi direct lighting. So I will show you the example. So here you will see 60% downward direction light and 40% upward direction light. ठीक है, this is example. 60% light came downward and 40% came upward. And don't be fighted with me, sir, how you will say that this is 60%. I will just give you an idea. Okay, semi indirect lighting scheme. So semi indirect lighting in this system, about 60 to 90% of total light thrown upward for to the ceiling for diffuse reflection and reached the working plane. So here you get the term diffuse reflection. So you will get the idea what is diffuse reflection. I already saw you. A very small amount of light absorbed by the bowl, and it is mainly used for interior decoration. Okay guys, so let's see semi-indirect lighting. This is semi-indirect lighting. 40% light downward, 90% to 60% light in upward. So guys, this data is also changes according to the book. Okay? So don't fight with me. If you go with the different books, then the data will be maybe vary. If you go for the H. Pratap, if you go for B.L. Thareja, and you will go for R.K. Rajput, this data is changing. But this data is whatever data I will use, it is almost right and used for exam point of view. Okay, so this is the example of semi-indirect lighting. Okay, so this is lightning scheme. Next, general lighting. In this system employs a type of luminaries shaded reflector which gives equal illumination in all direction. Okay, so here the general lighting example. Okay, general diffuse. ठीक. So I hope this is, so in general lighting you get the illumination in all direction. ठीक. This is the example. So guys, thank you so much. Please support GATE Prep Live, GATE Preparation Live. Okay, and here is one announcement. I already told you that if you are guys interested in engineering mathematics, so special session taken by Pallav sir. Go with that name on Unacademy. This is free. You all are join this sessions. So here our classes are taken by Pallav sir on Unacademy. ठीक. These are the free session. You also guys follow me on Unacademy. ठीक है. ठीक गाइस, तो आज के लिए इतना. मैंने कोशिश की है सारा का सारा लेक्चर हिंदी में इंग्लिश में बनाने के लिए. जहाँ पे ज़रूरत है मैंने हिंदी में भी टर्म को एक्सप्लेन करा है. प्लीज़ गाइस ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट. मोस्ट ऑफ द गाइज आर ऑल्सो फ्रॉम डिफरेंट states and different languages, so we have to respect for both languages. I can understand that. तो मैं अभी दोनों लैंग्वेज में यूज़ कर सका हूँ, अपना जितना यूज़ कर सकता था, और मैंने आपको अच्छे से अच्छा कंटेंट देने की कोशिश की है. आप क्रिटिक्स चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वायरल कर दें. इफ़ यू आर द स्टूडेंट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कम्युनिकेशन एंड इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन, गो थ्रू दैट चैनल, प्लीज़ मेक इट वायरल. आपको पता नहीं है क्रिटिक्स, आप अंकित सर और हमारी टीम कितना एफर्ट कर रही है इस वक्त एट दैट टाइम ऑफ लॉकडाउन. ओके, सो प्लीज़ लाइक दिस वीडियो, शेयर, कमेंट. इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट आस्क मी इन कमेंट सेक्शन, एंड द नोट्स आई विल प्रोवाइडेड इन टेलीग्राम चैनल. थैंक यू सो मच गाइज, थैंक यू सो मच.